But no, this is about the unboxing. We're not going to get distracted. We're not going to get into anything that really matters. No important stuff today at all. Pure impressions, pure subjectivity. That's what it's all about. Meh. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to do something a little more fun, a little light, a little, maybe a little meaningless even, but definitely something that leaves a little bit of an impression on us every time we open a new product. I want to do an unboxing comparison, right? A comparison between a cheap device and an expensive device, and I want to see what the difference is in the unboxing experience. Now, I know that it's not all about the unboxing. It's more about the product, right? The product makes the difference at the end of the day, but I mean, be honest with me now. It's not like unboxings are not fun. It's super fun. It's like opening a gift. Who doesn't like doing that? And to be honest, at the end of the day, if you're spending money on a product and if they spend a little extra time and effort presenting it to you a little bit nicer, it's certainly no bad thing. It does leave a little bit of an impression, and you're more likely to be maybe return customers or maybe even recommend them to others. So with that being said, let's get right into it. So for the cheap device, I have here this little guy. This is a Redragon Mirage. It's a super budget wireless mouse that comes in under $25. This is on one corner. This is the cheap corner. And then we have the expensive super pro corner, the G Pro wireless Superlight. This mouse needs no introduction. This is something that all the pros use, all the streamers use. Everybody basically puts this right on top of everything else almost. So let's see what they have to offer, because this guy is $150. Even if it is from Logitech and is made from angel's feathers and unicorn dust, that's a lot of money. So we'll see what they have to offer for us. But first, let's start with the Redragon. So straight off, I think this cost about $22 and it comes in a case. Everything else I reviewed in this price range, it came in a little cardboard box where it rattled around. No rattles. I mean, yeah, it's moving around a little, but no real rattles over here. Pretty solid box. Yeah, I mean, the plastic's cheap, but still, a box. It comes in its own case. How cool is that? Alright. I see they've kept it secure in this little plastic shroud. Remove that. You've got the mouse itself. Got a couple of manuals. Yeah, the paper's a little cheap, but you know what? I've been through this manual before. This is better written than all the other cheap mice out there. And a little quick start and installation guide. Now it also comes with a little sticker, a Redragon sticker, but I've lost that, so I don't know where that is. But solid mouse with a case, kept secure, with a little bit of a sticker, a manual that actually makes sense in English. $22, maybe $23. That is, to me, an amazing... I mean, look, if you're a budget person, you don't get treated this way usually. So I'm very impressed with this guy. But now it comes time to see the pièce de résistance. Let's see how the big boys actually do it. Let's see what Logitech has to offer. They've been in the game for a while. They should know how to do this. God knows they have expensive peripherals. So, okay, so right out of the gate, the box itself is high quality. It feels good. It feels pretty solid. No rattle, no wobble. They've actually got this matte black finish, nice soft matte black, and then they've got this glossy black font that says Lightspeed Hero 25K sensor, basically all the features that this mouse has, and they very proudly and boldly state no filtering, no smoothing, no acceleration, and no additive PTFE. Okay. So they state all those things and a bunch of technical specifications, but we're not going to go over that. That's not what this video is about. They also have their esports brands that they associate with right over here. Who cares? To the old shake-a-maroo. Et voila. Huh. There's a little felt bit over here that actually kept the mouse in place. Ooh, okay, that's what it looks like inside. You got the mouse itself with this nice molded packaging around it just to keep it firmly in place. That's not too bad. Oh my goodness. This thing is light. I mean, this thing is super light. It's as light as a feather. Well, a 63-gram feather. Well, let's see what's in the box now. Remove the base. And okay, so that's the dongle right there. Dongle feels pretty normal, but they've got this weird USB type A to micro USB. Oh dear. Is this a micro USB mouse? I think it might be. I think I heard that somewhere. Hang on. Okay, that's it. $150. Why? Why would you not just give USB-C? Anyway, we've got some nice big mouse feet and everything. But no, this is about the unboxing. We're not going to get distracted. We're not going to get into anything that really matters. No important stuff today at all. Pure impressions, pure subjectivity. That's what it's all about. What's this? Oh, they have a little flap here. Oh, I see. Okay, so they've got this little hard plastic bit that's, yep, it's magnetically attached, and you take it out and you can keep the dongle in there. So if you're traveling, all you need is this, and you slap on this bit instead, and suddenly instead of that middle bit being hard plastic, it's PTFE feet, so you get more glidey glide. Okay, I like that. That's cool. But that's about the mouse. Now, what's in the package? There seems to be some little box. Oh, you get a little Logitech sticker. How many of you actually use these stickers? How many of you actually stick these stickers anywhere? Are you really proud of the brands you use? Are you corporate slaves? Answer in the comments down below. Well, okay. I mean, it's fine. It's a sticker. If you're a Logitech fan, you get a sticker. That's cool. Okay. I learn how to do unboxing videos. Remove the clutter. Everybody wants to see a nice wide open field. Let's see. We've got the wire, pretty basic wire. It's not braided or anything. I thought this would be braided because maybe you can use this as a wired mouse while recharging your mouse. That'd be cool. If it was braided, that would be a bit cool, but this is pretty, I mean, it's not cheap. It's just not particularly exciting. And they've got this weird pincer-like thing. I think that's their proprietary way of attaching micro USB, which is ludicrous because it's micro USB. I mean, come on, Logitech, up your game here. What's this? Safety, instructions. Meh. You know we don't read those. We don't do that. Nuh-uh. More instructions. How many instructions? Oh, it's a little quick start guide. Okay, again, who cares? It should be plug and play. In this day and age, I should be able to plug it in and it should be intuitive. That's the sign of a good device. Okay, so that's cool. See? That right there, these are mouse grips, 3M mouse grips that you can put on the side of the mouse over here and on top of the buttons and everything, so that it just feels grippier while holding. It doesn't slip. Maybe you get sweaty because you know your TTV sweaty rates in Apex Legends. I know you are. That's why you keep drinking so much water. You have to offset all that sweat. But that's basically for that. It's okay. This is a cool touch. They give us little mouse grips so you don't have to go and buy it yourself. That's amazing. For $150, they give you like $2 worth of mouse grips. Pretty cool. Okay, maybe $5. I don't know how much these cost, but nice. There's nothing else in the box. Is there anything more in the actual box? No, that's it. Do you know what? This is so light that the box is heavier. Hang on a second. Holy crap. You know what I think they've done, guys? Okay, this is a theory. Tell me if I'm right or wrong, if you know better. But I think that because most people value heavy things and heavier things give you the feeling of, you know, premium, I think what they've gone and done is they've purposely added heft. They've added weight to the box to make it feel like something solid when you're holding it, because this thing by itself, I mean, it doesn't feel cheap. Like when you hold it, look at that, no flex, no. I mean, this feels pretty good, but it does feel very light. And I think they've actually gone and made the box heavier just to make it feel, that's some wily business right there. But I mean, I get it, I understand it. I mean, it did feel good. Here's the takeaway, right? So $150, a lot of money for a mouse, and I'm sure the mouse itself is great. I have yet to check it out. I haven't played with it. I do wish the cable was a little better. It's nice that they gave this, but essentially they gave manuals, a dongle, and a sticker, and a wire. Now, our $25 mouse doesn't need a wire because it runs on AA batteries, so you don't need to charge this thing. Comes with its own dongle lodged into the mouse itself. That's fine for $22, $23. Yep, that's fantastic. And this one came with the accessories that were needed, plus sticker and a grip. Yes, it's nice and premium, but is it that much more premium than the Redragon? I mean, yeah, the plastics were a little cheaper on the Redragon, but, and I'm not saying the G Pro Wireless unboxing is bad. It's a nice enough experience, but this really gives you some perspective about this guy. And I promise I don't get paid by Redragon. Who would pay me? I'm just saying that this is an incredibly impressive amount of packing for $22, $23. That's amazing. This whole experience has made me appreciate Redragon even more. Honestly, this thing, amazing value for budget. And I can't wait to try this out. So if you'll excuse me, I think I'm gonna go play some games. For science, of course.